Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video, and if you're into Huck's World, and it's time to get back on the Monday grind, and we got a couple of watch faces to help you through the week. So stay tuned. We'll be right back. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video. Today I got a couple of watch faces by my man Bruno Prado. Need I say no more? Make sure you check out this guy's lineup. He always gets down on some watch faces. And with that, let's check out these two watch faces that I got in for you today. Now the name of this one is called Digital. It has some numbers behind it. I'll leave the full info in the description box down below so you can go ahead and check this out. Also, you get your digital time. You also get your days of the week that's going around the top of the bezel right there. And you also get info on your battery, heart rate, your steps. You also get info on your goal completed as well. And it is inactive, so if I need more information on my steps, I can go here. And if I need more information on my heart rate, I can go there. So, but what I really like about this watch face, and you know I like color, if I tap right here, I can cycle through many different colors that I may like or coordinate with for what I'm wearing for that day. And I thought that was a really nice touch. Just cycle through till you get to the one you like. Now, I can also tap the bottom and it's going to change the rings. Check that out. So you can customize the ring to go with whatever color you have for the watch face. You can leave it like that, or you can keep on tapping, customize it till you get to that color you want to have. I like this watch face. What do you think? Hit me in the comment section below, of course, and let me know your thoughts. Now the name of this watch face is called Wave Watch Face. Ooh, now watch face number 2 is nice. I like the way it looks in always on mode. It is beautiful. Now when the watch face is on, it has like a modern look to it. You get a couple of dials. It's an analog watch face. You get the digital time right there at the top as well. Down at the bottom, you're going to get your month, which is spelled out. I'm liking that one. Now, in a couple of dials that you have, the one to the left, it's going to give you the day of the week. It's going to let you know what day it is. And to the right, you're going to get info on the date. So I thought this was a nice look. I like the modern design. And you can also, with one tap, one tap, you can change the color of the watch face. Just cycle through the many colors that the developer gave us and pick the one that you like the most. Alright you all, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then please make sure you subscribe to my channel. And make sure you hit the notification bell on the way out if you want to be notified when I drop more videos on this channel. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.